because I forgot to do this the whole time I was here. This is one of the bathroom of two. Again, we're staying in Animal Kingdom Lodge, Kidani Village. And then in here is like a little kitchenette with a bar. This is for ice, your toaster. This here is conjoining room, which we can't actually open because we didn't, we don't have access to that room. Washer and dryer with soap, little laundry hamper. We actually had a reservation booked at Jambo house, but they moved us to here, so we took it. Little kitchenette set here, which I have to show you. There's little hooves on the legs of the table, super cute. Then in here's the kitchen. There's a dishwasher, sink, fridge, freezer. There's a microwave and a complete stove with oven. There's dishes so that you can cook if you so choose, as well as things to cook with. More plates and dishes. This couch turns into a full, and that chair turns into a twin. And then there's like a little dresser there with the TV, all your plug-ins. So you can, I love those things. They're nice to have. There's Isaac. Here's all of our luggage because we are leaving today.
Saturday, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Then this is the master suite, king size bed, very, very comfortable bed. Dresser, and of course these doors, you don't have to live out of your suitcase if you're gonna be here a while. More USB hookups and plugs. Nice TV, a little desk to work from. There's me. A little chair if you wanted to get cozy, some nightstands and lamps. And they have a slider, which is all fogged up. It's like 6:30 in the morning, so the sun's not up yet. So you can go out and look at the savannah. And then this is the master bathroom, jacuzzi tub, which Isaac literally used every day. I think since we're remodeling the house at home, this we'll be investing in one of these very soon. Complete, really nice stand-up shower. Just wish I had more than one shower head, but still very comfortable. Sink, only one sink, huge vanity, one sink. And then another toilet area with a full-length mirror. And then this is a closet you can hang up some clothes, extra blankets and pillows, a safe, ironing board so you can do some ironing if you so choose. And that's pretty much it. That's our whole room. It was a very nice room. We really enjoyed our stay here. Look at how beautiful. This is what's outside our window this morning. Oh my God, I just love it. Animal Kingdom Lodge is definitely well worth a visit. Even if you only get to stay 2 nights, 1 night. Because just seeing these guys out every morning is so neat. Wow. I think I could sit and watch these guys all day. Amazing.
It's the mating call, and I think right now we know that you have all males, but